Hi guys! Today I'll be reviewing the new Garnier Loving Blends almond line. I'm going to review the shampoo and conditioner which I purchased at a Etos store. So if you guys are wondering what I think about this line, then keep on watching. So first off, of course, I'm starting off with saturated hair. And I'm gonna try out the Love and Blend shampoo. So the first thing that I noticed already is that the scent is so good. Of course there's sulfates in it, so it will set up, but that will really make sure that your scalp gets a good clarification. And even though this shampoo contains sulfates, I really felt like it was a little bit more moisturizing than the regular ones. Maybe it's because of the almond oil in it. Quick tip by the way, if you have thick hair like mine, section while putting water in so you make sure that all the shampoo is washed out. Then I'm going to apply the nourishing conditioner, and yeah, I'm just a sucker for conditioners. This one smells just as good as the shampoo and it gives a good slip. You can easily detangle your hair with this conditioner in. As you guys can see, there's a lot of steam in my shower, which will help the cuticle to open up and the conditioner to penetrate even better. I'm just gonna let it sit for a bit and then wash the rest of my body while listening to music and just acting weird. So it's time to wash out the conditioner. First thing that I noticed is that my hair was extremely soft. What I like is that it got soft without added any silicone in this product, so that's a really good thing, and it smelled this way for days, which is such a lovely smell. And you guys can also see that I got a lot of definition out of it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.